people. Over the past 2-3 days, I've been diligent about drinking lime juice and tomato juice as of yesterday, and it's actually made such a difference to my skin. And I need to thank these little celebrities. This is the female rabbit, I call her Sweetie, and the male rabbit is like he's got too busy a timetable to appear on screen because he's very naughty, the male rabbit. So no, because when you have a pet, for the sake of the pet, you will make sure to, because rabbits eat a lot of vegetables, right? In fact, that was one of the reasons I wanted a rabbit as a pet more than, like getting a dog or cat. Because I feel when you are choosing a pet, also, try and pick a pet that suits your personality. Like a dog needs to be taken downstairs, taken for a walk twice a day, right? So if you are that extroverted sort of person who likes stepping out of the house a lot, I mean, now with this COVID, though, I think everybody likes stepping out, but no, generally. So that's what. Then that's when you should get a dog. But if you are the type who's a vegan, a vegetarian, and rabbits are very silent creatures, so staying in flats, that really helps, because otherwise dogs can bark a lot and cats can mew, but these rabbits, bichare, they're so silent and sweet. So yeah, this is it's important, yeah, sometimes. So now I have to go and I'll make all of that again. Yeah, life is like one thing after the other, but that's how life is, right? So I'm doing a recording today. I'm feeling so happy. Yesterday, for the past 2 days, I skipped doing a recording every day. But yeah, it's already, oh my god, it should not become a 2-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.